Today we're checking out Picky Assist, a customer communication platform with a shared inbox, chat box automation, CRM, bulk messaging, and more. Running customer conversations across WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram is a mess when every channel lives in a different tab. Your team is copying and pasting, missing follow-ups, and guessing which agent handled what. And if you want to automate any of it, that usually means stitching together 3 separate tools and praying they talk to each other. Picky Assist fixes that by pulling everything: conversations, automation, CRM, and campaigns into one connected system. It starts with the inbox, where messages from WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram all land in one shared view. Your team can assign chats, pull in other agents, and leave internal notes that customers never see, so nothing slips through and everyone's on the same page. There's also an AI assistant built right in that can summarize long conversations, assess sentiment, and generate replies on the spot. When conversations need to be routed, Picky Assist handles that automatically. You can set routing rules using round robin, department-based routing, or sticky assignment to the last agent who handled the customer, so the right person always picks up. And for repetitive questions, the Chatbot Builder lets you build full WhatsApp automation flows without writing a single line of code. Drag and drop steps to collect info, connect to third-party platforms via HTTP API, save data directly to the built-in CRM, or hand off to ChatGPT or Gemini integrations for human-like AI conversations inside the flow. All that data feeds into the Conversation CRM, where leads from WhatsApp, Facebook ads, Google ads, and web forms are centralized in one place. You get a Kanban view, task management, notes, and a 360-degree view of every contact. Deals, meetings, messages, all in one record. From there, you can filter inactive leads and launch a bulk personalized WhatsApp campaign directly from the CRM in just a few clicks. Beyond messaging, Picky Assist also handles WhatsApp commerce, so customers can place orders right inside WhatsApp, and you can manage the full order lifecycle, including products and inventory, from the platform. And to tie it all together, there's a Meta ROI tracker that connects ad performance to CRM data, showing you exactly which campaigns are generating and converting leads, so you can lower your cost per lead over time. Custom dashboards and a drag and drop report builder let you track whatever matters most to your business. If you're tired of juggling disconnected tools for customer chat, automation, and follow-up, and you want everything working together through WhatsApp, Picky Assist gives you a complete system to engage, automate, and close. Click buy now to start converting more conversations with Picky Assist today.